Hello. Now, before we get this video started, I just want to tell you to go subscribe to Foxwood Run Farms. If you don't know who I am, go check out Foxwood Run Farms channel, and you will see me right here. I'm actually the son of the father who posted the rabbits video. Without further ado, let's get started. Remember to leave a like. Okay, so we've been working hard on this farm. I want to give you a little tour of all of our animals. First of all, I'm walking to them right now. Is the horses. They don't like it when I get close. So, stupid camera. Okay, and there's also that one. And we got Kit Kats. Hey, Thor. This guy right there. Next one I'm going to show you. I'll meet you there. Boink. Okay, so now we're heading to the rabbits. Right here's my dad.
Hi.
Right now feeding the rabbits. And you should do. Oh, never mind.
Pet Mallory.
Yeah, show up at Mallory. Right there's Mallory. She's a bit nervous,
Yeah,
I see.
she's good. Alright. Don't want to bug her out too much. She's eat your spinach.
We got Sterling. Unnamed
Cyril.
apparently. Cyril.
Nice, Cyril.
Pam. We got
Carol.
or Sherry. And Patsy. Edina.
Should show the bunnies, not just the tag.
And Lana.
There you go. You want to show Angel?
Sure. So here's Angel. Got to get these names. Angel and Scyther. Angel's right now eating the spinach.
Scyther. She's eating
Yeah.
sunflower
Scyther.
seeds.
She's eating sunflower. Well, they're both California does. So that's either just their name or they're actually from California.
That's just the breed name, bud.
Okay.
Want to go show them the goats?
Sure. I will see you there when we're at the goats. Alright, we're at the goats. Rusty, you want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the camera? Want to say hi to the camera? We also got Silk Rasta. We got Silky. Rasta, don't you dare eat the camera. Yeah, the stall's empty. Rasta! We got Jella. We got Gara. And we got Ricky boy right there. Hey Rick. And we got the feisty ones. What are these names? Cheryl and Addie.
This is
Cheryl.
Cheryl. What is your name?
Cheryl.
Sherry.
We got Sherry and Addie.
Adelie.
Adelie. You want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the camera?
Up on peppermints
You
right
want to say
now.
hi to the camera? Alright. And we got one more to show, the chickens. So, I will quickly run over there, and yeah, I'll see you when we get there. That's just so cute. Okay, I'm here. Here are the chickens. Yeah, chicken. Alright. So as you see, hey, you want to say hi to the camera? Don't peck it. Turkey, you want to say hi to the camera? Turkey. Okay. We got such a bunch. We got so many. You guys want to go in there? Alright, let's go in. I'm at the gate, which has a box. Ah, shoot my coat. A lot of chickens. Oh God. Right there's my rooster. Right there. So, while it's difficult to move out here, I may as well, rerun all my freaking chickens. Ow! Stop it! Get off of there. Stupid chickens. Every time I have food, there's this one that just goes up and tries to eat it. So, yeah. I'm gonna quickly go run for my life. And, yeah. I can't really run. Running for my life. No, never mind. I am so freaking scared. Because I always drop over this hill while it's slippery. Okay. Wait. Okay, we're in the mud now. Oh, great. Hubba. Okay, I need more water. Oh God, I'm stuck. Help! God! Please, don't get my pants all wet. Not all wet, muddy. Oh, there, turkey. Sit your nice butt down. Let's enjoy this majestic journey. Yeah, not really majestic. I'm tripping on everything. Okay, good, hard, solid ground. I can't run for my life because I'll slip. Now let's do it. Let's get this box back. God dang it, I hate the effects of gravity. Even though I love space. I love space! By the way, neighbor's horse. Hey, horsey. Hey, horsey, how you doing? Alright, here, horsey. See how the camera? Alright. So that is basically it. The tour. If you want to, you can go, you can like, and I don't know if my dad put up subscribing. But yeah, I will see you when I ever record another video. Bye!